One of the comments that I receive every day from my private Facebook group and even in the comment section is, Alston, I can't find an affiliate program for my niche. And I always ask, did you try different affiliate networks? And they always ask me, where are the best affiliate networks? So in this video, I've decided to put together a list of 7 affiliate networks for you to apply and why you should not use ClickBank or Digi24. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn the 7 best affiliate programs for 2023. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna do a few things. One, we're gonna talk about the 7 best affiliate programs, and I'm going to tell you why you should stay away from Digistore24 and ClickBank. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Before we talk about the different affiliate networks, let's quickly talk about what an affiliate network is. An affiliate network is simply a place that you can go to that houses hundreds, if not thousands, of different affiliate programs. You can think of an affiliate network kind of like a grocery store, and within that grocery store, they have multiple different varieties of the same products. They have different ketchups and mustards and so on. That's basically what an affiliate network is. It's a good opportunity for someone to go to because basically everything that you need is contained in one place. You can quickly apply, you can get all of your marketing material and marketing information in one place, and you can get payouts all in one place as well. So an affiliate network can be a great opportunity if you can't find individual affiliate programs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the 7 best affiliate programs for 2023. Number 1, I really like Impact Radius or impact.com. Now, Impact Radius, one of the reasons why I like it is they simply have one of my favorite affiliate programs, which is Bluehost. Now, up until recently, Bluehost was a standalone independent affiliate program, but they have since joined Impact Radius. If we take a look at my screen here, you can see there are a number of Fortune 500, Fortune 1000 companies that work with Impact, everything from Canva, Airbnb, you can see on the screen here, McAfee, as I mentioned, Bluehost. There's just a number of different affiliate programs, and they have a really simple, easy to use design. It's really user friendly, and it just makes sense for me. That's number 1. Number 2 is actually with ShareASale. Now, I really like ShareASale because they have different collegiate athletics as well as some NFL shop teams. So if you're looking to get into the sporting niche, this can be a good opportunity for you as well. Now, if you look on the screen here, they have all sorts of different affiliate programs, including Acorns. If you're in the finance niche, they have increasingly just a number of different opportunities for you to get into and start making money. ShareASale works with companies that are both large and small, mom and pop, and Fortune 100 companies as well. It's a really good opportunity to get into. After ShareASale, we have CJ or Commission Junction. Now, Commission Junction, as you can see here, they have 1.8 billion annual publisher commissions. They are making a lot of money for their affiliate partners, and they're also making a lot of money as well. As you can see here, a few of the advertisers or people that they work with, everything from Priceline, Office Depot, TurboTax, J.Crew, and Blue Apron. So the cool thing, and one of the reasons why I like these different affiliate programs, in addition to working with large companies, they have multiple opportunities and options for every single niche. If you're in the cooking niche, you can jump on something like Blue Apron, or they even have like different recipes and cookbooks and even utensils and silverware and cookware and things of that nature. There's just so many different opportunities in these different affiliate programs. That's why I like looking at these different affiliate networks. After Commission Junction, we have RakutenAdvertising.com. You can see that they work with Udemy. They work with JetBlue Vacations. There's just a lot of opportunity within these different affiliate networks. Now, as I mentioned, you simply would just apply to the individual affiliate networks. Once you're accepted, you will then apply to the individual affiliate programs. Now, some of these programs may require that you have a website. That's why I always recommend that you have a website as a base of operations, but others may not. And the one that we're going to talk about next actually doesn't require that you have a website set up in the very beginning. After Rakuten, we have Amazon. Yes, the old faithful. A lot of people don't like Amazon because the commissions are relatively low, but I still like Amazon because someone could click on your affiliate link to buy a security camera, and instead of buying the security camera, they wind up buying a weighted blanket, and you could earn commissions on that. So that's always a cool opportunity, and there are so many different products on here. It makes it almost a no-brainer. One of the cool things about Amazon is that they don't require a website. You must have a website, YouTube channel or an app. So if you have a YouTube channel, you can get started with Amazon. Now they will put you on like a conditional acceptance. You do have to get 3 qualified sales before you can get full acceptance. But once you get that, you can run amok, as so to speak. The other cool thing with Amazon is, let's say you don't get the 3 qualified sales in the designated time period, you can always come back and reapply again and again and again. The only downside to that is you have to change your affiliate links. So that's why I recommend using like a landing page or a blog, because it's much easier to change your affiliate links in one place versus all the other places. After Amazon, we have Awin. Now, I really like Awin because they work with Nike, one of the biggest brands out there. They work with Under Armour, as you can see, as well as Etsy. Now, Awin is just like all of the other affiliate networks that I've mentioned, where you are going to apply to join their umbrella, we'll call it. And then once you are accepted into the umbrella, you can apply to join Nike, for example, or Under Armour or Etsy, and then you can get approvals and or denials there. Now, again, the cool thing is you can apply to multiple affiliate programs. In fact, once you start getting sales, people will invite you to join their affiliate program. So what happens on the business owner side is they'll get a list of up and coming affiliate marketers that are having success promoting products in different niches, and people will actually reach out to you to say, hey, we want you to promote our products, and that can come with additional benefits. That's something that you might want to consider once you start gaining a following and start making some decent money. That's another cool bonus feature of joining different affiliate networks. Now that we've talked about the 7 that I like, let's talk about the 2 that I don't like. I'm not a huge fan of ClickBank, and I'm not a huge fan of Digistore24. Now, I've got nothing against either one of those affiliate networks, though those affiliate networks on their own could be very, very good affiliate networks. The problem is how they've been promoted over the years. If you watch YouTube long enough, you will see that a lot of people are trying to tell you the best way to promote their products over on Digistore24 and ClickBank is to just spray and pray. Now, if you've been around my channel for a while, you know that spraying and praying means that you are going to get your affiliate link and you're going to spray that thing all across the internet and pray to God that 1 or 2 people will click on your link and buy. Okay, so the problem isn't with ClickBank or Digistore24. It's more so how people have used it to create YouTube videos that are teaching people unethical ways to start affiliate marketing. Again, I've got nothing against ClickBank or Digistore24 personally. It's just the way that it's been used and manipulated and almost abused over the last several years. So just to recap, my favorites are Impact Radius, Share a Sale, Commission Junction, Rakuten, Amazon, of course, and Awin. Now that you know the 7 best affiliate programs for 2023, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for your free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online in 2023. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to get your planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.